Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to create a simple circular and square table in Blender. Also, here are some symbols which indicate which keyboards I am pressing, and mouse also. So first, we delete our cube by pressing X, as you can see, and then add a mesh, and then cylinder. Right click, set auto smooth, scale it down, and then go to edit mode by pressing tab. Press 3, click over here, I, E, again E, and then S, one more time E, back in object mode, and then our table is done. So back in edit mode, click to material preview to give this a color. Go to here, click new, and then over here to give this a color. I'm going to give this a brown color and black onto legs. So I may make a little bit orange, and then make it a bit dark, and then click here to make another material, and then make this fully black. And then in edit mode, I click Shift and Alt to select multiple faces, same thing over here and again over here. And then assign it, and then our table will have some black legs. So we are going to give this a tablecloth. To do that, we add a plane, move it up, scale it, in edit mode subdivide it as many as you want. In object mode, set it smooth, give it a cloth simulation and table a collision, and then click over here in the timeline and you will have a good looking tablecloth. And if you guys want, you guys can give this a color too. So I'm going to give this a red color. And now our table is ready. And now to do the square table, move your current table a bit aside, and then add a cube, scale it down, add a loop cut over here by pressing Ctrl R. Add a loop cut over here by pressing Ctrl R, and then click 3, Shift Alt over here, and then here, X to delete faces, add this a mirror modifier, add a loop cut over here, a bit over here, click 3, select here, extrude it, and then give it a material. I'm going to give this a yellow. And then our square table is done too. And that was for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for more videos don't forget to comment down below. Bye bye!